All right, guys, we're at a race today.
So F2 is fat
Greg's
shark
first
today.
race.
25.
He's warming up. He's setting things up. Let's check this place out. Awesome building. Here's their setup right here. Looking pretty awesome. I'm gonna rip in this space right here. And then we got gates setting up over here. It's gonna be awesome. And there's Greg, the man, the myth, the okay, how you feeling?
Awesome.
Okay, what's the official pilot name?
Zen Falcon.
Zen Falcon. Here.
Zen
Falcon. Okay. How are we doing?
Good. Doing great.
All right, let's
Race.
ready to race. We've getting all set up. We've been practicing the course. Definitely different than the one in Minneapolis. Smaller gates, tighter. Got to go slower.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are bringing you a content which is watchable, stupendous, and most epic of epic.
TinyWhoop and Zen Falcon. Everybody's getting their whoops on the starting block. So we're getting ready to do shortly.
Greg's first race, baby. Let's go, Zen Falcon.
Goggles down, thumbs up. On the tone.
On the tone in less than 5.
All right, guys. Hey, that's a wrap. Big shout out to the Quad Squad from Fargo, Moorhead, the multi-GP chapter that Greg and I have joined. Really, really awesome people to fly with. They were super helpful. They were fun. It was a really relaxed kind of vibe. If you've never done, if you want to try a race like that, find a local chapter. They're normally really helpful. And it's just a lot of fun. You learn a lot about how it all works, and it'll improve your skills, and it's fun to meet other pilots as well. So how did it go? Well, overall, it was fun. Again, we did pretty good. The gates were tight. Greg had some issues with his analog signal. They, tried to fix that, but he was able to fly someone else's drone. But I think he had a good time. I think he's going back. I'm going back for sure to fly there again. And yeah, so good times. We can't wait for our next event. Again, big shout out to the Quad Squad. Thank you guys for letting us newbies show up and fly with you. Cheers, peace. Have an awesome holiday. If you're here in America, having Thanksgiving. All right, bye-bye.